Hello friends and welcome. It's Sarah Liz and I am so excited to announce that I will be an instructor at the first ever Cat Scrappiness Winter Retreat. This is a one-day event and it is absolutely free. It's going to be on December 3rd and there's a wonderful lineup of free classes for you. The whole goal is to help you with your last-minute crafting before the holidays. There's holiday tags, card making, photo folios, stocking stuffers, ornaments, and I will be teaching a class on gift card holders. We will make this gift card holder. It is so simple, I promise. Okay, so here's the project for my class. It fits in an A2 envelope. It has a little bit of bulk, but it will still go through the mail for a single stamp. And it pops up. It's got these little panels on the side that let this stand up beautifully on display. And then there's a spot on the back to write your personal message. I made this one a little extra fancy. There are Velcro pieces holding on the front panel so that I can show you the inside. There's a gift card back here and it just slides out. You can slide it out without removing that front panel. And I will show you ways that you can change this up. If you do it as a square, really a diamond instead of a circle, it gets even easier. So I'll show you some examples like that. But I just love gift cards for the holidays. For me, my friends and family don't want more stuff. We all have way too much junk. And so a gift card is a promise to spend time together, right? It's a gift card to a restaurant to go share a lovely meal, or we have some really great putt-putt places around here. There's like prehistoric, and I think there's a medieval putt-putt. So something fun or goofy or something we can take our kids to. And that to me is the best kind of gift I can give the people that I love. So I am in the midst of making 6 gift card holders for part of the giveaway. There are so many giveaways. Let's talk about that for a minute. Right now, until October 27th, there is a giveaway for this specific video. If you register for the retreat, and I'll leave a link below, it's completely free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay for anything. Register for the retreat and then fill out the Rafflecopter form. You can win a $10 gift card to the Cat Scrappiness store. Then, during the live workshops, you can win a bundle with 6 gift card holders made by me, including this one. I've made another that's maybe a little more masculine, but using the same products. This one I use the diamond just to kind of show you that way it's really easy to slide that gift card out. It's not as hard as maybe this one where it's harder to see that it's even back there. But again, in the printable, it'll show you all the measurements for both options. So be sure to tune in live to the event because you can win the bundle of my 6 gift card holders, including these 2, or 6 cards or 6 ornaments or whatever the other instructors are making, which is really awesome. Then there is a mystery gift that is $150 in Cat Scrappiness product that will be given away to one lucky winner. It is a premiere, so everything is pre-recorded, but it will run all day long on the Cat Scrappiness channel. You can chat along with the instructors, you can ask questions, and you can register to win all kinds of prizes, which I think is super fun. All of the instructors are using products from the retreat bundle. So you can see, maybe you can't see, like this holly is the same here, and then these leaves come from the same die set. That's in the bundle. This is the festive Christmas arrangement die set. This just released, I think today. So you could buy this individually, or you can get it in the bundle at a discount. And it has the bow, the holly leaves, the pine cone, the berries, right? The sort of evergreen boughs. I think this is maybe my favorite piece of the bundle. Then there's the Reindeer Games stamp set. This one is a little bit older. I've used it on both of these. Part of what I love about this so much is that there's a stacked Merry Christmas and there's a Merry Christmas that goes straight across and there's a Happy Holidays. So it covers a lot of your different occasions and the different arrangements you might want on your card. There's also a bunch of like deer puns on here because it's called Reindeer Games and it came out with the most adorable reindeer stamp set at the time. And so we also then have this Christmas sweater stencil and it has some reindeer on it. So you can coordinate it with that stencil. I have a couple of pieces I've been working on. I just used some lunar paste on black cardstock and I'm cutting it into strips to use on some projects coming up. And then the last 2 items in the bundle are the Christmas glitter cardstock pack. And there's no actual glitter here. It's just printed to look like glitter. It's a little bit glossy. It's a lot of fun and no mess. So this has 2 shades of red, 2 shades of gold, and 3 shades of green. And then there's the Christmas shaker tinsel that coordinates really beautifully with the colored cardstock in that pack. And these are just like those little twirls of like cellophane something that are super light. They're easy to mail, and I love that as well. I'll be sharing more inspiration on my Instagram and in my community tab of my YouTube channel with the other projects that you can win from me. But please sign up. I think the retreat is going to be a ton of fun. And once again, it is completely free. And I'm just so excited to be a part of it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've already registered for the retreat, and I will keep an eye out for you. I'm excited to see you there.